Never put your happiness in someone else's hands. Invisible tears are the hardest to wipe away. The most painful memory when I walked away and you let me go. My silence spoke 1,000 words, but you never heard them. You always get hurt the moment you begin to care. One of the hardest things in life is watching the person you love someone else. It's hard to forget someone that gives you so much remembers. Silence is the most powerful scream. I don't want to feel sad, but life forced me to become sad. I never feel alone because loneliness is always with me. I don't depend on people anymore because I'm tired of being disappointed. No one noticed your sadness and tears, but they notice your mistake. I just want to fall asleep until I don't miss you anymore. I act like I don't care, but deep inside it hurts. Sometimes the person you trust most is the one who trusts you the least. I rejected everyone for being with you, and the twist is you rejected me for being with everyone. Seeing people change isn't. What hurts is remembering who they used to be. Never make someone a priority when all you are to them is an option. And sometimes you just have to forget about that person you once loved and move on. It's sad how people become what they had promised they never will. Tears are the words the heart cannot express. We all feel lost sometimes. Oh, how beautifully your eyes speak those lies. I might not be the best, but I will be the best to love you more than anyone else. I die every day, every second without you. Being present-minded is the key to staying healthy and happy. It's hard to forget someone that gives you so much remembers. Don't be sad because it's over. Smile because it happened. I always found the right one at the wrong time. Sad feelings is mute. Remember of what is really important in our life. Never waste your feeling on people who don't value your emotions. The problem is you think you have time. It hurts the most when the person who made you feel so special makes you feel so unwanted today. Blame no one, set people straight. If you can, if not, just repair the damage. And suppose you can't do that either, then where does blaming people get you? Never put your time into the hands of the ungrateful. Listen to your voice, your own soul. Too many people listen the noise of the world instead of themselves. Deep inside, you know what you want. Let no one decide that for you. I said I was fine, but I never said I don't hurt. Let your life lightly dance on the edge of time like dew on the tip of a leaf. A meaningful silence is always better than a meaningless words. Never regret a day in your life. Good days give you happiness, bad days give you experience. Worst day give you lessons and best day give you memories. Don't panic at times when you can't do anything about people who hurt you. Even if it is a little late, a friend will come for you to knock and they will take care of it. He is karma. Confidence is silent, insecurities are loud. Forgiving people in silence and never speaking to them again is a form of self-care. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in the day out. When I choose to remove someone from my life, it doesn't mean I hate them, it means I respect myself. If you focus on the hurt, you will continue to suffer. If you focus on the lesson, you will continue to grow. Don't be impressed by money, followers, degrees and titles. Be impressed by kindness, integrity, humility and generosity. I don't know much, but 3 things I do. Prayer has power, faith moves mountains, God's love never fails. Amen. Sometimes in life we just need someone who will be there for us, someone who will listen, someone who will understand. Strong women don't have attitudes, they have standards. Problems are part of life and facing them with a smile is art of life. Slow progress is better than no progress. Stay positive and don't give up. In movies, bad people always lose, but in reality, bad people always win. Life will always be hardest when you're crossing over to new level. Don't get discouraged. Life is a game with snakes on every level. Sometimes you have to stand alone to prove that you can still stand. I keep my personal life quiet, so don't think you know me. You only know that I allow you to. Never give up, because great things take time. Trust your intuition, it never lies. Remember, you are about to become rich, happy and successful. Money is going to start falling into your life like rain. Today is the period of struggle, tomorrow will be the period of success. Just a drop of kindness could make a big difference in a person's life. Ego is not important in a life, but self-respect is most important in life. Don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. Sometimes letting go is better than holding. Once you learn how to create your own happiness, no one can take it from you. In every religion, there is love, yet love has no religion. Don't change yourself to win someone's heart. Stay true and you will find someone who likes you for being you. Nothing is stronger than a person with a broken heart and a smiling face. Never hide who you are. Alone can be beautiful. Everything has a lesson. Grow at your own pace. Good is still to come. Action don't lie. The most expensive thing in the world is trust. Cheap people can't afford it. Family is not about blood. It's about who is willing to hold your hand when you need it the most. A meaningful silence is always better than a meaningless word. Never take too much care on someone because you won't be able to stand the pain when they start avoiding you. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.